Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can clear Instagram search suggestion while typing in. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do: first you have to open up your Instagram account, then you have to go to your profile. After that you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to click on, scroll all the way down and find the option called suggested content. You have to click on this option here. After that you have to click on interested, and if you find any account or video here that Instagram thought you were interested, you have to clear them all. Then you have to go back. The step 2 is you have to click on search and you have to click on the search options. After that you have to click on see all. Then what you need to do, you have to click clear all and you have to recount from it. Then you are ready to go. Now your Instagram search session will be removed or cleared from your Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.